In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to PayPal quickly and easily in just 5 minutes. This is an extremely handy feature if you're looking to collect payments seamlessly through your forms for events, subscriptions, or sales, all without needing to navigate complex systems. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in the URL for Google Drive. If you're already signed into your Google account, this should take you straight to your Drive homepage where you can access all your files. Once you're there, look towards the top of the screen where you'll see a menu bar. Go ahead and click on the Apps section. This is your gateway to all the different tools Google has to offer, including Google Forms, which we'll be using today. After selecting Apps, scroll through until you find Google Forms and click on it. Google Forms is a fantastic and incredibly versatile tool for creating custom surveys, quizzes, and importantly for today's purpose, order forms integrating with payment gateways. Next up, you need to choose the form you'd like to work with. If you've already created a form that suits your needs, great. Select it from your list. Otherwise, you can create a new one from scratch by hitting the plus symbol to start fresh. With your form open and ready, direct your attention to the top right hand corner of the screen where you'll find an icon for add-ons. Give that a click. Add-ons are like mini apps that you can integrate with your Google Forms to increase their functionality. In the list of available add-ons, look for one called Payable Forms. This particular add-on is specially designed to help you connect with payment providers like PayPal. Click on it to proceed with the setup. Once you've got Payable Forms ready to go, you'll see an option to make this form payable. By clicking this, you're essentially enabling the payment feature for your form, setting the stage for integrating PayPal. Now, a prompt will appear with an option to connect a payment provider. Click this and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your PayPal account. It's a straightforward process where you'll authorize access, ensuring your form can securely process payments through PayPal, and just like that, you're all set. Whether you're collecting donations, fees, or payments for products, integrating PayPal with Google Forms will streamline the process, making it easy for both you and your audience. And that's it, you've just connected Google Forms to PayPal quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy form building.